Hey guys, welcome back once again. In this video, I'm going to talk about the best 10 survey websites that you can start using right away, and they can pay you almost $5 on a daily basis. And if that's what you are looking for, then this is the video for you. These survey websites that I'm going to talk about, they also have different tasks that you can do and increase or boost your earnings. But if you are new to this channel, my name is Gloria and I talk about different ways on how to make money online. So if that's what you are looking for, welcome to this family. Let's get into the video. Guys, the first website I'm going to talk about is this one, which is called Survey Time. Survey Time is a website that pays you to answer different surveys. As you can see here, it says on their website, get instant reward for every survey you complete. You get instant rewards for every survey you complete, and they have simple and easy surveys. So what you do basically here, they are going to be paying you for giving them your opinion. Yes, they'll be paying you for giving them your opinion, and all you need here is an email and a password to sign up so that you can get started. Yes, and they have different payment options that you can use. They can pay you via PayPal, they can pay you via gift cards. So how it works here, signing up is for free, and I will leave a link in the description below about this website so that you can go ahead and sign up. When you use my link, you'll get a join up bonus. So when you do surveys here, they will pay you money. So this is the first website that I wanted to share with you guys, so you can check it out by using the link in the description. Then the next website I'm going to talk about is this one, and I love this website because every day they are revolving, they are adding so many things. Yes, you can use it to take surveys. As you can see here, and up to $100 per game offer you take. So if you are like, I don't want to take surveys pay less, I want to play games, then you can play game and get up to $100. But if you are like, I want to stick to surveys, then you can earn up to $5. I wanted to include it because there are many different opportunities to earn from this platform, and you can earn from it even in a passive way by sharing your internet. So if you are like, you want to boost your earnings, then Pawns app is the website for you. Yes, you just come here. If you want to share your internet for free without doing anything, you can do that as well and earn. If you want to do surveys, you can take surveys and earn, and the cash out threshold is only at $5. Yes, and another way you can earn from this website is by referring others. So I'm also leaving a link to Pawns app in the description below. You can go there and check it out, and when you sign up through my link, you are going to get a $3 bonus. Yes, you get a $3 bonus. So this is how here it works. You get paid for your opinion, that's answering surveys. There are also many other things that you can do, like rewards, like spinning the wheel. Yes, those are other things that you can top off on the survey and you earn more. You can also earn from passive income by sharing your internet, as I told you before. Then Pawns app is the second website that I'm showing you. As you can see here, paid surveys. So if you want to do paid surveys, you can go ahead and download the app in your phone and you start receiving surveys, yes, right away, and you start earning instantly. Then the third website I'm going to talk about is this website that is good. It's called Prime Opinion. You are also paid for taking surveys. And what I love about this website, sometimes they'll give you like a 1 second survey. They'll ask you maybe what's your favorite food. They'll put like a pizza, a hot dog. Then you just click on that and you already have points. You already have money into your Prime Opinion account. So this is Prime Opinion for you. And as you can see, get paid to take free surveys. Yes, signing up is free. All the websites I'm giving you, signing up is free. You don't need to pay anything before you sign up, guys. It's for free. So you sign up here and you start giving them your opinion. Yes, they'll be asking you different questions about lifestyle, about your health, about food, so many things. So when you answer those questions, they are going to pay you, and they pay you via different gift cards. As you can see, these are live payments. These are people who have cashed out. You see, this one has just cashed out $10. This one has just cashed out also $10. This one has just cashed out €5. This one has just cashed out $20. So it depends on you on how much effort you are willing to put in. And there are so many payment options that you can use. Yes. So if you want to give it a try, to give this prime opinion a try, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Guys, this website is good. You should go and try it out. I'm going to leave a link in the description below, so that when you go there, you can get a sign up bonus if you use my link. Then the next website is this one, which is called Market Agent. Yes, it's our fourth website on this listing today's video. Market Agent, yes, like you are helping people who are running companies online by participating in surveys. Yes, so they ask you questions. Sometimes they will tell you to record yourself, but it depends, and they are moreover all over worldwide. So this website will pay you for answering surveys. Yes, and you can also earn a commission by inviting a friend. So guys, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You can use my link to sign up and start earning right away. The website is called Market Agent, and they also pay good. They have different payment options. They'll be sending you an email anytime they have a survey. Then you can come and do that survey and you get paid. One thing about this website, that their surveys finish so fast, so you are supposed to be on the look for their email, so that anytime they give you an email, just rush in and do the survey very fast. Yes, and you see they are all over in most of the countries. So the next website that I'm going to talk about is called my IO. Yes, my IO, they also pay you for doing surveys on their platform. Yes, all you need here is also an email address, a website. Then you can sign up, and here they are telling you the countries that they are operating in. The As you can see, they are in the Britain, they are in Germany, they are in France, Italy, Spain, Turkey. That's where I am right now. North Africa, Poland, Brazil. As you can see, the list is endless, as you can see there. So what you do, you participate in a survey. When you qualify into that survey, they give you points, and those points you can cash out your money through via your bank account or via your PayPal. So this is the website. It's called My IO. I'll also leave a link in the description below about this website, which is My IO. They have good service and they don't take too much long. Then another website that I'm going to show you is this one, which is called Surveyo, and they really pay good. Yes, as you can see, they can also give you a bank transfer. On this website, also, you earn money by completing Yes, by completing surveys. Yes, by completing surveys, they ask simple questions also about lifestyle, about the things you do, if you have kids. So those are the things they're going to be asking you, and you'll be doing surveys here. And if you earn money, you can cash out via PayPal, via Amazon gift cards, and bank transfers. So this is another website that you can start today and start earning right away as a complete beginner. You don't need any degree, you don't need any paper, you don't need any verification. All you need is an email address, a password, and you are good to go. And the link that I'm going to leave in the description below. Guys, all the websites that I'm talking about here, I'm going to leave the links in the description below. So you just go click on that link, you use it, and you will get also a joining bonus. Then this is the another website on in this video that I'm going to talk about. I love this website because this website, you can never run out of things to do, and this website is free cash. You can do surveys if that's what you want. You want to stick on doing surveys, but there is a variety of things to do. Like they have a lot of opportunities for you to earn. Yes, on a day, an average person can earn up to $45. As you see, yesterday, the person who earned much earned up to $75. And this is so far how much people have earned on their platform. Yes, and what I like about it, they have like bonuses that you can try every day. As you can see, when you sign up, you stand a chance of winning up to $250, yes, in the free cash case. So if you don't want to do surveys and you want to test apps, you can sign up for TikTok and $2. You can play this game, which is called Dice Dreams. You earn up to $60. You can sign up for Netflix and you earn up to $5. So there are so many things that you can do. As you see, this person has just cashed out $55. This one has just cashed out $5. This one has just cashed out $15. So this is to show you that these guys really pay. This one has just cashed out $1. So it depends on you what you want. So if you want to go with the surveys, that's good for you. If you want to go and test apps, that's good for you. As you can see, get paid for testing apps, games, and surveys. Yes. Then the other website I'm going to talk about is this one, which is called Timebacks. Yes. Here on Timebacks, you can earn money even just by watching ads. So if you are like, I don't want to do surveys, I just want to watch ads, then you go with this. Timebacks, you get paid for completing micro tasks, testing websites, playing games, installing apps, watching videos, and answering surveys. Timebacks is a simple website, but the only thing about this website, they pay only on Thursdays, but they have different payment options that you can try. So if you want to join Timebacks, all you need is an email address, a password. You repeat your password here and you have to confirm that you are not a robot. Then you sign up and start earning on this website, which is called Timebacks. I'll also leave a link in the description below for this website, Timebacks. And another website I'm going to talk about is this one, which is called Sprout Gigs. Before, this website was for only putting gigs, but now they introduced another way that you can earn from by answering surveys. Yes, nowadays Sprout Gigs offers you a chance to answer surveys and also get paid. So if you are like, I can't create gigs, then you can earn from surveys or by completing surveys and games. So this is also another website that you can try and check it out. I'm also going to leave a link in the description below about this website, which is called Survey Gigs. Yes. Then the other website that I'm going to talk about, my favorite, I love this website, they have paid me so many times, is this one. It's called Wise Sense. Yes, Wise Sense. Yes, as you can see on Wise Sense, you can answer surveys. They have surveys that you can complete every day. They also have something which is called the dead poll, and that dead poll you can answer it every day. Yes, when you answer that dead poll every day, you get money which is for free on this website. Yes, so there are so many things that you can also do on this website. You can play all these games and earn, but if you want to stick to surveys also, that's good. And they have different payment options that you can cash out, like ATM, PayPal. You can also use Pioneer. If you are like where I am, there's no PayPal, you can use Pioneer because it's worldwide. You can also use ATM because it's all over, like in 400 countries. And that's also another way that you can earn from this website. This website is Ysense, and I'm also going to leave a link to Ysense in the description below. Then the other website that I would like to talk about is this website, which is called Swagbags. Yes, Swagbags is a website that I'm also personally using. All the website that I've talked about, I use them personally, and here you can also come here and answer surveys. Yes, you can come here also and answer surveys. Signing up also here is not difficult. You just need an email address and a password to sign up. As you can see, these are all surveys. If I answer them, I get money. So as you can see, I'm already also here earning. So this is also another website that you can earn from, which is swag bags, and they pay you in the form of swag bags, which you can turn into real cash via PayPal, via Pioneer, via ATM. So it depends on you which payment option you want. They also have something which is called a daily poll, that you answer one question every day and they earn you money. And they also have bonuses that they give you if you answer so many questions or so many surveys in a day. They give you more swag bags that you can boost your earnings. Yes, and they also have games that you can play and do on this website, guys. So if you are like, I'm new online, I don't know what ways that I can use to earn money quickly and instantly, just try out these websites that I've shown you. I'm going to leave their links in the description below, the link to each website that I've shared with you, so that you can go ahead and try them out and start earning right away. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can start this and start earning right away. Yes, thank you for watching to this end. But if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Yes, so that you can be the first one to get notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. God bless you.